Today, we're tackling a game-changing aspect of your video strategy, optimizing your YouTube descriptions using the power of ChatGPT. This tool can help your content stand out and attract more viewers. Let's dive in and learn how to make your descriptions work for you. Now, let's set up the input for ChatGPT. To get the best possible descriptions, you need to provide detailed and clear prompts. To create a strong prompt, start by giving a brief description of your video, including key points and keywords. Let's say your video is about how to bake a chocolate cake. So, here's the example prompt that I put together. So here's what I asked, like write a brief YouTube description for a video tutorial on how to bake a delicious chocolate cake. This includes the keywords that I mentioned, main points, and yeah. So once you've entered your prompt, then send it, let ChatGPT do its magic. Because within seconds, it will generate a detailed description. But we'll see. As you can see, ChatGPT might take a while, processes right here, and generates a detailed description right here. There are the main points, the main description, and yeah. So these are based on the information provided right on my prompt. So this saves you time and ensures your description is optimized for both viewers and the search engines. Pretty cool. So the next step is to refine the description ChatGPT has provided. So let's use this once again to enhance and perfect our description, ensuring it's tailored to your video and includes all necessary information. To refine the description, you can ask ChatGPT through this input to make specific adjustments. For example, you might say, here we go, improve this YouTube description by making the language more engaging. Add a call to action at the end. This one, as you can see, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, like you see in every YouTube video. And yeah, so here we go. We input our refinement prompt into ChatGPT right here. So watch as it quickly enhances the description the moment I'll be sending this, making it more engaging and polished. As it's currently generating right here, you might have to read through every word here the ChatGPT had provided here, just to ensure it matches your tone, the tone that is for the video, and includes all the key details. Make any final tweaks if necessary if you're good to go. It sounds about good enough. They might have a bit of a changes right there. Here we go. This is the one that I asked in the prompt. And the wording right here, they made it more engaging. And yeah, so if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Keywords are crucial for SEO, and adding relevant links can drive more traffic to your other content. So let's use ChatGPT once again to identify and add the most relevant keywords and links to enhance our description's visibility. To get the best keywords, you can prompt ChatGPT like this. Suggest relevant keywords for a YouTube video tutorial on how to bake a chocolate cake. Sorry about that. And also suggest links to related videos and social media profiles to include in the description. So, for instance, like, don't have anything to suggest to put the links for ChatGPT to structure that on what it generated. So let's just say suggest links instead. So here's the prompt in action. Now watch as ChatGPT generates a list of keywords and link suggestions. Here we go. So you can see these are the relevant keywords that ChatGPT has suggested for us. Then here's the suggested links, social media profiles, and yeah. So Now let's integrate these keywords and links right here that ChatGPT had recently generated into our description. So we'll use ChatGPT once again to help us integrate them seamlessly. We can refine our prompt to ask ChatGPT to include some of these keywords that I'm interested the most right here. So, and also the links in a cohesive description. So for instance, here's what I put together. So integrate these keywords into the description, and here are some that I picked from this list right here, and also include these links. I don't know if I could find or think of any link. So let's just say a link to playlist and Instagram link, and just for instance that is. So let's see how this one would do. Here we go. And here ChatGPT has restructured with the added keywords from my recent prompt. And depending on the links that you added, ChatGPT will provide you to add these to the description for your video on YouTube. Pretty cool. Now that we have our optimized description with keywords and links, now it's time to finalize and publish it. To ensure it's perfect, let's use ChatGPT once again to help us proofread and make any last-minute adjustments. To finalize your description, you can prompt ChatGPT like this. Proofread this YouTube description for any errors or typos and suggest improvements. Ensure it reads smoothly and maintains a natural flow. So let's see how this goes. So here's ChatGPT in action, proofreading and refining our description to make sure it's error-free and engaging. With the suggested improvements, depends on it's listed down here or generated here from ChatGPT, our description is now polished and ready to go. And that's about it. You've optimized your YouTube description with the help of ChatGPT. A well-crafted description can significantly boost your video performance and also help you reach a wider audience. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you for watching.